Okay, we're up here at the Nothe to try the free orienteering course. So I have my map, which I have collected from the cafe, but I could also download from the Weymouth Town Council website or Wimborne Orienteers website. And I've downloaded to my phone the app Oriento so that I can see where I am. It says start a run, so I've clicked on start a run and it's come up with different places that I can go to. And I'm going to click on the Nothe Gardens, because that's where we are, and then the short course. And now it's come up with start the course now. Now, a little tip, don't start it quite yet because the timer will start. Okay, so first of all I'm going to orientate my map so I don't go off in the wrong direction. I know that my first marker is here, and I am here at the start marker. So looking at the map, I know that I'm going to have to go over that direction to see my first marker. So we're going to start this course now, and we're going to click on the icon and it will allow us to scan the course. So we scan the start marker and we're about to go. So luckily we've come in the right direction, we found the sign, it is on the back of the sign, and so now we're going to scan this marker down here and hopefully hear that nice satisfying beep. There we are, there's a nice satisfying beat that I've got to that control. So now I need to go and find the next control, keeping my thumb on where I am, and the next one is RG, which is in that direction. Okay, so I've just scanned the finish, it gives a nice satisfying sound that I've finished. And then I've got my results. I can either just keep them on my phone and next time I come I can see if I can improve on it, or I can do a different score, or I can upload them and put in a name that I want to be known by and register them on them. Then they go up on the leaderboard. So if you want to compare yourself with other people you can do that, but you don't have to, it's totally up to you. Just a great way to feel like you've achieved something, and actually you can come back and either improve on it another time or choose another course and keep your results. Have a go.